Hello everyone, I Prashant Sadafule, Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Engineering of All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology, Pune. In today's session, we will discuss last type of transformation, that is shear transformation. In previous lectures, we covered translation, rotation, scaling and reflection transformations. In today's session, we will discuss shear transformation. First, we will discuss what is 2D transformation. Then we will discuss shearing. Then we have to discuss types of shearing transformation. And then we will discuss matrix representation for shear transformation. So first, what is 2D transformation? Transformation means changing some graphics into something else by applying rules. Transformation plays an important role in computer graphics to reposition the graphics on the screen and change their size or orientation. Now we have different types of transformation such as translation, rotation, scaling up or down, reflection and shearing transformation. In today's session, we'll discuss what is shearing transformation. Now shearing means changing shape of an object. When a transformation takes place on a 2D plane, it is called 2D transformation. Now let us discuss what is shear transformation. In computer graphics, 2D shearing is an ideal technique to change the shape of an existing object in two-dimensional plane. In a two-dimensional plane, the object size can be changed along x direction as well as y direction. So there are two versions of shearing. So we have two types of shearing transformation, that is shearing on x-axis and second one is shearing on y-axis. So as shown in figure, it shows two versions, that is shearing in x-axis and shearing in y-axis. Now when we apply shearing in x-axis, at that time x coordinate value will change and y coordinates remains same. And when we apply shearing transformation along in y-axis, at that time x coordinate value remains same and y coordinate values will change. Now we'll see the matrix representation for shear transformation. So first we'll see the shearing in x direction. So we require the matrix. It is like this. So we get new coordinates of object, that is x dash y dash, by multiplying the shear matrix, that is 1 shx, that is shear parameter 0 1 with original coordinates of the object. So here we are changing the x coordinates and y coordinates remain same. Now homogeneous matrix representation for shearing in x direction. So x dash y dash 1 is equal to 100 shx, that is shear parameter in x direction 10001 into x, y and 1. Now next we'll see the shearing in y direction. So matrix representation for shearing in y direction, it is as like, so we get new coordinates of an object, that is x dash y dash is equal to, we have to multiply shearing matrix to original coordinates of an object. So 1 0 SHY, that is shear parameter in y direction, and 1 into original coordinates of an object. Now homogeneous matrix representation for shearing in y direction is x dash y dash 1 is equal to 1 SHY 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 into x, y and 1. Thank you.